Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can find Facebook hidden friend list in 2025. It will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go to the profile icon in here and just click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the profile page where you can see your profile. So once you are come over that place, you just need to go to the friends panel. Once you come over here, then you are able to see the friends options, like how many friends do you have. So here, if you want to see your friends, you just go over here and you are allowed to see it here. So if you have any friend, then you will see in here. But if you want to see the friend request, you just need to go over here to the friend request option next to the search panel. Just click over here and you will able to see your friend request options, but there is no friend request options we have, so that's why it is empty. So if you want to, like, if you send any one friend request, then if you want to access that one, you are also allowed to access that page. You just need to go over here to send request and you will see that your sending requests are pending here. One friend sent request, so he is not accepted yet, that's why he is visible in here. So in this way you can easily see your friends and hidden friends in your Facebook profile. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.